Good morning, everybody. It's barbecue time. So I'm going to barbecue a pork, and we have some lamb and a beef. For the pork, I use soya sauce, oyster sauce, ketchup, and garlic and pepper, and some sugar for the marination. And for the lamb and the beef, I use only the French herb, olive oil, salt, and pepper. And I'm going to grill some fresh veggies also for today. I'm going to grill in the oven some cauliflower, carrots, red, yellow, and green pepper. And I put some celery stalk also. I'm going to start my barbecue with our pork chop. Barbecue for me is any time of the year. It's winter time, rainy season, summertime, autumn. You can do it always. Look our pork chop. It's nicely brown. It's time for the cut the buff to be barbecued. And I think I'm going to do it like medium rare only. We'll brush the beef with butter. Also on the other side, because I like it to be brown more. It's time for the lamb to be grilled. Okay, look at that. Those are our finished barbecue, the lamb, the pork chop, and the cut the buff. That's our finished grilled mixed vegetables. It looks very appetizing and tasty. It goes well with all our barbecue meat, lamb, pork chops, and the cut the buff.